Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the Find My Device feature on your Windows 10 computer. Meaning if your device was stolen, this feature may be able to help you locate your device. So you need to have location tracking as well as a Microsoft account enabled to actually use this feature. But I will show you guys where to locate that within Windows. So should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and we're going to go ahead and jump into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Select the setting gear icon on the left side. You hover over it. It says Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select Update and Security. And then underneath Update and Security, you find the section that says Find My Device. Go ahead and left click on that. So like I said, you would need to sign in with a Microsoft account in order to actually use this. And this says track your device if you think you've lost it. Even if you haven't, Find My Device periodically tracks your device's location on a map to help you keep tabs. So again, you have to turn on location tracking as well as signing in with a Microsoft account like I said. So we can actually demonstrate the location setting here by selecting that link. And then versus location for this device is off. Just click the change button and we turn that to the on position, so that would be a prerequisite in order to actually use the tool. So the only other thing you would need now is a Microsoft account, which a lot of you guys probably do have. You already have an account when you sign in to Windows 10. It's probably an email, most of you guys, so it probably wouldn't be a problem there just to turn it on. But like I said, pretty straightforward process. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.